Guys, I found something on Thingiverse that I have to print. It must exist in this world, so let's do this. They're calling it the corny meerkat, but it's a mermaid cat unicorn, and this thing must exist. So I just downloaded Kira 4.5, and this is supposed to like be the end-all fix-all of all my problems. So we will find out shortly. I'm going to scale this thing up. I'm going to take it to 200 millimeters tall, but I do not want this base. So to cheat, I am just going to take and move and drop it down. Let's see, how's that? So it's going to be, just want to make sure that none of that base is above the build plate. It looks like it's all below the build plate. And it looks like enough of the paws will be touching. I guess I could just take it down just a hair more. That'll be fine. So enough of the paws are touching there. It's all looking pretty good. It's looking like it's going to be within the build volume of this printer. I'm just going to go ahead and use the Artillery Genius again on this and go ahead and roll with that AMZ3D Transparent Purple, because my wife has no clue I'm getting ready to print this, and she's going to love it. I guarantee you she's going to love it. Let's make this thing exist. I will see you guys at the end of the time lapse. Okay, that was 13 hours, 40 minutes to print. Oh, goodness. I didn't completely release from the bed. Now, I'm still playing with the retraction settings. This Cura version did a whole lot better than the last one, but I'm still got a long way to go with that. Other than the stringing or the wisps, it really turned out nice. That is just crazy. And look at the point on that unicorn. That thing is perfectly pointy. Did not melt. Can't see any of the layer lines in it. And that was once again at 0.2 layer height. Turned out great. Let me do a little quick cleanup job on it and see what it looks like. Okay, so I gave it a little cleanup. Took and pulled the wisps off it the best I could. Then I hit it with the heat gun just to kind of straighten it up. I'll take and do a little bit more to it. Good thing is if you sand the PLA a little bit and then hit it with the heat gun, it'll bring the color right back too. So that's a pretty good deal on that. But it turned out great. Let's just see if I can get up here so you can see. I cannot see the layer lines in it whatsoever. And then under here, bridging was perfect. I don't see any loops down here, so the cooling for this printer is really working out nice. Same thing underneath here. Everything looks nice, smooth. That unicorn horn though, that thing turned out great. Oh goodness. Well, at least it now exists. What was it, the cat mermaid unicorn or something like that? I'll put a link to it in the video description. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.